there guys, welcome back to another ration review, and today we're going to check out a Latvian field ration. Now this one is menu number 9. Haven't had one of these in a while, so it's going to be interesting. But yeah, let's check out the packaging. So this thing comes in a really thin plastic bag. We have a sticker which has all the contents, all the nutritional stuff. Nothing on the back, no tear notch. This thing is about the size of an MRE, probably a little bit wider, about the same weight. Maybe this is a little bit heavier, and that's due to the fact that it has like a tin can for the main entree. Yeah, that's about it. Let's open it up, see what's inside. All right, let's tear right into it. And we're just gonna pull some things out. Got a strawberry jam, a black currant jam. Those are really good. And we've got a package of crabs. Not sure what these are. Maybe some kind of candy. It says caramel candy. So got our rice porridge. We've got our stove with heating tablets and matches. These should be the rooster matches, just like the Lithuanian rations. And there's our rooster. Safety matches. These have a brown tip. So we're obviously not going to use the stove indoors. That stuff is nasty, so we're going to skip that. Got some almonds. And with all Latvian rations, you get at least 4 coffees, so gotta stay awake, gotta stay nice and pepped up. We've got a yellow label tea, Lipton. Nice flimsy spoon. We've got 2 packages of kukuruz or sugar. Got one of these turbo. We've got one of these turbo extreme gums. These are kind of cool. And a lemon fresh wipe or moist toilette. Of course, you get some rye bread with your Latvian ration. This one is still nice and soft. And we've got our main entree, which should be chicken and rice. There's our ingredients and all that good stuff. And that's it. And there we have all the contents, just in case you were curious to see everything in one shot. I'm really anxious to try those crabs. Not sure what's gonna be inside. We have the crabs, we have the mains, rye bread, some of that Nescafe coffee, our stove, some jams, some tea, and that's about it. It's very simple, very straight to the point. So we're gonna prepare everything and let's get started. All right, so we're gonna get some water boiling. In the meantime, let's check out these crabs. Curious to see what's inside. So here's our crabs, and we've got a nice little happy lobster right there. Interesting looking candy. Let's try it out. Wow, those are really good. Very interesting texture. It's more like a nougat kind of candy, a little bit soft, a little bit chewy. very sweet. Yeah, these are excellent. So let's check out the rice porridge. Okay, the instructions are very simple. Get a bowl, add 100 mils of hot water, wait 8 minutes, stir. Looks like this. Kind of looks like Rice Krispies. Definitely a lot more crunchy. It's got little bits of seasoning. So definitely a savory dish, not sweet. So we're gonna move this off to the side. Give ourselves some space. Got our tea bag. Just gonna get it ready. Might as well get our Nescafe ready. A little notch here. Well, not a notch, but it's a little bit offset, so you can just sugar our coffee and our tea. I mean, they gave us sugar, so we got to use it, right? Water is just about boiling. As far as I'm concerned, this spoon is pretty useless. We're gonna use this instead. It's a little bit more sturdy. All right, our water is come to a boil. We're gonna just turn it down a little bit. I'll tell you why in a minute. First, we're gonna do our coffee, our tea, and our rice porridge. Give them a stir. Our coffee is stir. All right, so now we're gonna cook our main entree, and we're gonna use our boiling pot simply so we don't burn the bottom. So just a little bit of water. We're gonna open this, and we're just gonna let it, boil. Let's check out our mains. There's our chicken and rice. Smells amazing. All right, so we need just enough water to cover the bottom. We don't want to, get it over into our mains, so we're gonna leave it like that. Of course, we can cover it if we want, and we'll let that cook. All right, so we're gonna put our drinks off to the side. So we're gonna check out the almonds. They look like just plain almonds, no salt, no sugar. Not bad. Yeah, they're just plain almonds. Nothing wrong with them. Nice and crunchy. A little bit bland. It's just natural. All right, we got our rye bread, and looks to be a little bit expired. Expired in May, but I mean, it's rye bread. It's already, somewhat fermented. I don't see any mold or any hint of mold, so we're just gonna risk it and give it a try. It smells nice and sweet. And we'll start with the strawberry jam. Yeah, it's just strawberry jam. Very sweet. We'll just spread it on our rye bread. Yeah, there you go. Let's give it a try. Oh, wow. That is excellent. Just the bitterness from the rye bread and the sweetness from the jam. It's just perfect. Let's check out this black currant jam. Let's get a little taste. Oh yeah, that's excellent. Let's give it a little spread. Look at that. That looks really good. Here we go. Just those flavors with the rye bread and the sweetness from the jam. It's just excellent. All right, let's check out our coffee. It's just regular black coffee with a little bit of sugar. Yeah, it's just regular Nescafe Classic. Nothing wrong with it. All right, so I think our mains is done. So what we're gonna do, just gonna dump it in this bowl. It's nice and hot. You can see there's no burn marks. That's the reason we cook it that way. And here's our chicken and rice. You can see there's a little bit of carrots and all kinds of good stuff. So, a nice big piece of chicken. There it is. Piping hot. Here we go. Oh, wow. That chicken is so soft, so tender. Still perfect amount of seasoning. That chicken tastes like it was cooked just a couple hours ago. There's really no weird preservative flavors or anything. It's just pure chicken and rice. Just seasoned to perfection. Let's try a rice porridge. You can see all the little bits of seasoning. They've rehydrated. Let's try it out. Not bad. It's got a little bit of an herby taste. It's a little bit on the bland side. Could use, a little bit of salt, but I mean, we could try it with the chicken. See if it flavors it up. So I guess we can try it with the rye bread. Not sure if it's gonna go with it, but we might as well try it. Yeah, that's not bad, but I feel like the rye bread overpowers the chicken flavor, so it's not the best combination, but it's not the worst. We're gonna keep digging at this chicken rice. Let's check out our tea. Give it a little stir. Very strong flavor, very good tea. So if you watch my other videos, I have a ton of Lithuanian ration videos, and these two, the Latvian and Lithuanian rations, they share a lot of similar components, a lot of similar entrees. Some of the differences would be that the Lithuanian rations come in a regular retort pouch, And these Latvians come in a tin can. But the rations themselves, they're very similar. The entrees, flavors are almost identical. I would say the Latvian is slightly better, slightly more quality. It's just minor differences, but they're both excellent. They're both just some of the best rations you can buy. So I'm gonna finish this up and I'll be back. I'm gonna check out the turbo gum. These have like a little car sticker or decal. It's a different car every time. Let's see what car we got. And we got a Ferrari. This one's a World Design Contest. I'm not sure if that's the name of it, but this has a 6500 motor, 700 horsepower, and a max speed of 448. And I assume those are kilometers. Here's the gum, nice and soft. Guess we'll check out the moist towelette. Still moist. Still usable. Smells like lemon. And that about wraps it up. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. This was the Latvian military field ration menu number 9, and I just want to give a huge shout out to all my patrons. They made this video possible. They provided the funds to buy these rations, so just want to give all you guys a huge thanks and appreciate all of you. So thank you for your support, and I really enjoyed this one. These Latvians, these Lithuanian rations are always amazing, always perfect, never any really complaints. I mean, could have used a little vitamin drink, maybe an orange drink or something like that, but those are just nitpicks. You could always drink water. But yeah, overall excellent. On a scale from 1 to 10, I'd have to give it a solid 9 out of 10. Definitely some of the best rations you can get. And that being said, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon. Okay, we're gonna try another one of these crabs. Just have to say, those are the best sweet crabs I've ever had.